Welcome back, friends. Today I have covered very important useful formula in Excel by which you will get multiple VLOOKUP value in a single cell. Like suppose I have this vendor list and item they are supplying. One vendor may supply multiple items. Suppose in this list I have a ABC supplying plywood and ABC is supplying clock. And how will I get the ABC, what item he is supplying in one single cell? Generally, we are using VLOOKUP formula. This provide value only of the first value he is providing. Now, how to get that? Let's start learn that. I am just removing all the formula which I am using. For doing this, we require three formulas. I will use if formula, unique, and text join formula. Unique and text join formula are newly introduced in Excel 2019 and also in Office 365 version if you have purchased that. So let's begin. Suppose now I required here unique vendor name. So I will use the formula unique. I will type unique and then I have to select the array. I want unique out of this all vendor list and just bracket close and press enter. I will get the list of all unique code of vendors. See here all the duplicate are removed. It's so simple. Now, here I am typing which I required against ABC, which item it supplied on in single cell only. So I am typing what we will do. So I am using formula if ABC is equal to this cell. I am pressing F4 to freeze it. What it will do if I am press F9 here, it will do wherever the case it is true. Suppose it is true in first cell and it is true in after the fourth row like ABC after it's true. So now Control Z. Now if value is true, what value I required? I required the item supplied. Now if value is false, I will require blank. So I will type two inverted commas and bracket close. Now see I am getting the two item ABC is supplying. Now here you see it's not joined. It's showing in a different rows. So for that I will use text join function. I will type text join bracket start. Now what should be my delimiter? Delimiter is what you want. You want comma, any other sign between joining two cell. I want comma, just space also. And then here I want to ignore empty cell, so I will type true here. Now what text I want to join? I want to join these all texts. I will type till here and press F4 and bracket close. Now see it has joined this formula in a single one cell. So instead of typing that G4 to G13, I will copy this formula and paste here instead of typing this cell. Now see, it automatically give me the value of ABC. Now just paste this formula. I just freezing the E cell, and if I copy paste here cell, I will get, sorry, I have to also freeze this cell also. Now I will get the list of all item which vendor is supplying. Now suppose XYZ is supplying flower decoration. So it's very easy to use and you can get the value in one single cell. So another example, hope you able to understand how this formula is getting used. Another example, suppose if one vendor is supplying multiple items, suppose duplicate items. Suppose ABC in this, my database ABC is supplying clock and this is again written here. So 2 times duplicacy is there. So if I am using that same formula, then it will show me the clock 2 times, which I don't want. So what should I use? So you understand, I will use a unique formula again. So in addition to this formula, I will use unique. I will use unique, not here. I will use unique in this formula because here the value is coming. I will show you why I want to, which is again typing the formula if this cell is equal to this cell F4, then I want this value, and if it is false then I want negative blank, so it's now coming blank. Now see here it's coming clock 2 times, so if I want clocks single time, so I will use unique here. I will add the unique formula. So instead of typing formula from if, I will copy this whole formula. I have to just also freeze that value also. I am typing F4 here to freeze this. Sorry, it's not freeze now. Now I will just copy this formula and paste it to my text join. Now see, it's clock, now it's coming only clock 1 time. So hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel for getting more these videos. Thanks.